All right. Good morning and welcome. Here we are, Wednesday, January 22nd, 2025. Can't believe we're already here. Been a cold one here today. Got down to 3 degrees overnight, which is crazy for here. This is unprecedented. But back at it this morning, looking at the stock market. We've had great 48 hours, great couple days since Donald Trump took president, 47th president of the United States. And this happened 2 days ago on Monday, which was Inauguration Day as well as MLK Day. Only the second time in history that a president has served 2 non-consecutive terms. So, bit of a fun fact there that I found out recently. I thought that was interesting. So, anyway, looking at the stock market, which is what we're investigating here today. Everything's up today. Everything's going quite well, which I'm very excited about. Stocks holding about 70% of the Robinhood portfolio, crypto 25%, and cash 5%. Kind of run through here. Palantir Technologies, this is up. This is doing very well. Very excited about this and optimistic about it now and for in the future. This looks good. Amazon, Jeff Bezos was at the Inauguration Day, which I saw as a good sign. He was there and in good graces with our president here. Holding that looks very promising. Tesla, of course, being Elon Musk, he was very involved in the presidency and looks like will continue to be so into these next 4 years. Apple, I forget who the CEO is there now, but Tim Cook, that's who it is, Tim Cook. I'm not sure if he was there or not. I didn't see him in any pictures, but this looks like a strong stock to hold. I would definitely recommend it. For anybody looking, this is just one of those steadfast, strong, even if it's up, buy it. If it's down, buy it. It'll continue to do well now and in the future. Oracle is up a lot today. This is one, as of today, actually, there is a $500 billion investment into AI infrastructure by the U.S. So a few stocks, or a few companies rather, stand to benefit from this immensely. These are Oracle, SoftBank, which I believe is actually a Chinese banking company, and OpenAI. SoftBank you can get into. Oracle you can, of course, get into. We'll take a look at SoftBank, actually. Its shares are up 11% today. I think this could be a really good stock. I have not yet got into it. I'm really thinking about it. Let's look at the 1 year on this. It's a little volatile, as you can see. I mean, it's pretty volatile, but our 1 year low stood somewhere around, let's take a look, 21.52 is our 1 year low. Our 1 year high is 37.19. It's 33.78. So, I mean, it's pushing near that 1 year high right there. We've got, some volatility. You can kind of learn some patterns and kind of anticipate what's coming next. So I think it's a good buy. I'm going to wait until we see it come down, maybe a little bit closer to sub 30s, and then probably get in at that point. But I think this will be a really strong one. Even though it's Chinese, which I don't love, I think this is a huge, huge opportunity because it's partnered so well with the U.S. and with Trump administration. So a little bit of a sidebar on that. But Oracle doing well. Then let me get back to the portfolio here. And then let's see where were we at? Microsoft, of course, another strong one, will also stand to benefit immensely from AI infrastructure and tech. This is huge. This is a really, really solid company. It's just one of those dinosaurs that's absolutely always a good time to get into. The CEO of Microsoft was also at the inauguration. I cannot remember his name, but he was there. And then, of course, Google. That is a really good one. I don't remember why I got Class A and Class C, but I have both a little bit, and they're both just as good. So got those. Bitcoin is up. We're currently at 104, 103. Okay, it's down a little bit today now. Got up to like 107 overnight, but down to 103 now. Doge, 18 shares of that is up. So that's a good one. And of course, that is also doing well because of it's an acronym, here for the department, which is Department of Government Efficiency, which Musk, and I'm not sure who now because Ramaswamy has stepped down from his role there, is going to focus on other political careers and endeavors. Official Trump coin came out like the night of Trump taking office or the night before. It has not done well. I don't quite know what's going on there, but it's not a good, not doing well right now. So make it out of that. I thought it was just kind of cool, just a meme coin that I got into for, one share. But anyway, so that's that. That's the portfolio as of today. Currently about 1850. Want to kind of look at a few things though coming up that Robinhood. The more I learn about this, the more I really like it. I I think I signed up to do stock lending. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but I think they can lend your stock in and out as needed. Of course, if you hold it for longer, this will grow. Signed up for Robinhood Gold since last I was on here. Looks like a really good thing. 4.5% on uninvested cash, which is actually really good. That's competitive with like banks with high interest yield savings accounts right now. So that's actually a really good deal. After 90 days, it goes to 4%, I believe. Considering getting the IRA in here too. Few things I wanted to look at. So it will have some things coming up here. Let's see. I wanted to take a look at with you. So upcoming transfers I want to talk about. I'm going to have a transfer coming in of some stocks. So I'm going to have a transfer coming in. I'm looking under the pending of some stocks that are going to be coming in here from another account. So this will boost the portfolio significantly. It'll be up much higher than it is currently. So we'll take a look at that once those actually get here. But I was amazed at how easy it is to do this. So it's currently pending on my other account, one of my other accounts, which is Charles Schwab. It was literally all done on my phone, and it was within a matter of 2 minutes. I had the account completed as far as for all the permissions to move it fully from there into Robinhood. So this will see a boost very soon here, hopefully by the end of this week. It takes 5 to 7 business days, but you can move your entire portfolio from another brokerage into this one. It works better with larger brokers like, Interactive Brokers, IBKR, Schwab, Fidelity, some of these bigger guys. It works much better. So anyway, all that to say, I'll be showing you that after that. All those positions get in here, and there's no penalties or tax penalties for doing that. You just have to move it fully, and I think it's maybe $50 or $75 it'll cost total. But Robinhood, I called and talked to them or sent in a form thing, and they said they will reimburse up to $75 for moving accounts into there. So I thought that was really cool. So anyway, all that to say, Robinhood Gold, another cool thing is instant deposits. I think are a little bit better with that. I haven't used any of my day trades yet, but those are the stocks right now that I'm most interested in. And then I think SoftBank we already talked about. And then the other one that I'm potentially looking at getting into, which popped overnight, I'm not sure where it's at currently. We'll take a look at that, is Netflix. We had a huge pop overnight. They had an earnings call, and they had the most profitable quarter yet. I mean, so on a stock this mature and this high, it's rare to see a 10% increase in the course of a day. We're pushing almost 11% right now in one day up. That's great. They say when the stock market moves, it takes the stairs up, but it takes the elevator down. In this case, it's done incredibly well. If you look at this is over the past month. I mean, boom, 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 bam. So that's something to definitely watch for. Interested, I'll probably wait for it to get down, a little bit. I don't think today's the best day to get into that, but good growth, good solid growth over the past year. 1 year low, 479. So about half of what it is now, and 52-week high, 1,006. So yeah, it's doing very well. So looking at potentially getting into this here soon. But be doing some options trade coming up soon. I'll get you in on that video. Let me know if you have any questions. We'll look forward to seeing you guys on that next video. Have a good one.